In this video, we are going to see how to promote your item and improve sales on the AuctionWorx site. As a seller, I want to stand out my product among the other products, so that the buyer will notice my product first. This can be achieved by promoting the product using listing options present in AuctionWorx. Let's check the different ways to do this. Go to Edit Listing page for which you want to promote. Option 1. Displaying the product randomly on the home page. You can opt Featured option and save the changes. Let's check how the product is displayed randomly to the buyers on the home page. On the home page, featured items are displayed randomly. Refresh the page to see different listings. Option 2. Making the product title bold. You can opt Bold Title option and save the changes. Let's check how the product is visible to the buyers with a bold title on the Home and Browse page. On the home page, we can see that our listings title is now bold. And it is also bold on the Browse page. Additionally, if we change the view, the title remains bold. Option 3. Add a sale banner. You can opt Sale Banner option and save the changes. Let's check how the product is visible to the buyers with a sale banner on the Home and Browse page. On the home page, we can see our listing with a sale banner. And it is also visible on the Browse page. Option 4. Highlight the product panel background. You can opt Highlight option and save the changes. Let's check changes on Home and Browse page. On the home page, we can see our listing with highlighted background. And it is also visible on the Browse page. The same options can be selected while creating listings. This is how you can make your products more attractive to buyers and potentially increase your sales. Thank you for watching.